Today, I'm stepping into a $3.8 million house located in one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, called Seven Isles. Welcome to 314 Seven Isles Drive here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. My name is AJ Butler. I'm a real estate agent here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And today I've got the listing agent himself with me, Mr. Matt Ferrelli. Matt, thanks so much for letting us come out today. Why don't you start off this tour by letting us know a little bit about this property?
First of all, thanks for coming. I appreciate it. This is great. So first thing I want to let everybody know about this property is the location that it's in. This is an exclusive neighborhood. It is 7 Isles, and it's one of the most highly sought after neighborhoods in all of Fort Lauderdale. That's one of the best parts of it. Coming from that, we also have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a little over 3,200 square feet, sitting on a lot size of over 10,000 square feet.
Okay, and you know, Matt, real quick before we dive into the house, I know a lot of the properties in 7 Isles are on the water. Is this particular property on the water?
It's only one of about 12 houses in all of 7 Isles that is a dry lot.
Okay.
And if you're gonna be buying something in 7 Isles and you want a dry lot, this is a perfect location for you.
Amazing, let's get into it.
All right, cool.
So Matt, as we step into this area of the house, it's obviously, you know, very open. We're in this lounge area. It's obviously built to entertain, wouldn't you say?
It is. It's absolutely curated to entertain and to be tranquil and to be designer finished. Yeah, it's a really warm feel to the house. And as far as entertaining goes, I don't know if there's a better house in Fort Lauderdale than
I know. I mean, I can definitely see like my family in here, a bunch of friends and everything, especially like as we go over here into the dining area, a ton of seating. The kitchen is very, very big. I mean, you can fit like, you know, 20 people around this island in here.
Yeah,
you know?
It's a great space. The kitchen's fantastic. As I'm sure I told you already, that all the furnishings are included in the sale of the property. It's about $200,000 worth of designer furnishings in the property. And as far as like having this wide open and the custom cabinetry and things like that, the kitchen is just ready for a chef to do their magic in the kitchen and just really bring family together. And although it's a luxurious property, it's a warm property and it's had a great feel to it.
So this primary bedroom right here is actually one of my favorite parts of this house. Matt, why is this area so special?
I love this room. This room just feels great, doesn't it? It's got a nice warm feel to it. It's like designer finished and ready. But one of the best parts of this particular room and the ensuite that it has is the location within the house that it is. It's in a completely tranquil, separate part of the house on a separate floor. So it really has all of the feel of being kind of like on your own and, you know, completely separate from the rest of the house, but with all the luxurious things that you can find in a house.
Right, exactly. And over here around the corner, I know we got something a little special. What's over there?
Yeah, that's the brand new Italian polyform closet that the owner installed just a little bit ago, and it is breathtaking. One of the coolest parts of the house.
Definitely. And as we step out, you know, out of the primary onto this balcony, this is probably one of the more unique, you know, features of this home.
Yeah, this is a unique private space right coming out of the primary bedroom that is unique in a sense that not too many houses have this kind of thing. So it overlooks the pool area and it overlooks all of this private landscaping, which is one of the things that if you're gonna buy a house in 7 Isles and you're not gonna be on the water, a lot of times you're looking for privacy because that's the most important thing to you. And owner has done an incredible job of creating a really cool private space.
As soon as I saw this backyard, I was thinking if I were to create it on my own, it wouldn't be much different than what it is now. You got everything that you need out here.
Yeah, this is just a great space, for as far as entertaining goes, and just being very, very private back here. It's got the luxuriousness of the Carrara marble decking, which has got a leather finish here. So it's got all that luxury feel to it, but it also has like really unique spaces. You've got your dining space over there. You've got your pool area here, and we're underneath one of the coolest pergolas around town. It's great.
And we can't forget about what we're standing on right now, Matt, and then this beautiful little area over here. So what do we got?
So every single luxury home should come with a putting green. Don't you think?
I do.
Absolutely. So we have that here. We have our putting green. It's ready for action at any given time. You walk out, jump in the pool, you get your putting on, you're great.
Yeah, okay? and then when it's time to relax.
And when it's time to relax, you go over and check out this Zen garden, we're calling this.
Okay.
This is our Zen garden. It is flanked by 4 Meyer lemon trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's just a great space to sort of just unwind, relax, be private, read a book, that kind of thing.
Grab a coffee.
Grab a coffee.
Like that.
Any of that stuff is great.
If you're still watching this video, it means you either want to make an offer on this property or you're just enjoying some good content. And if that's the case, make sure to like this video, share it with some friends, and subscribe for more Fort Lauderdale real estate content. If you're trying to get in contact with me, all of my contact details are in the description of this video. We'll see you in the next one.